Mohawk Finishing Products is the world's leading manufacturer and distributor of professional wood touch-up, repair, and finishing products. In an industry that is rapidly changing, we strive to remain at the forefront of both quality and service. We offer unmatched training and educational workshops, an exceptional customer service team, and an extensive and evolving product line. Today we're going to talk about our brush tip marker. These products feature a micro brush tip applicator that allows you to apply color exactly where is needed, without any messy powders, fluids, or odors. This wood graining marker applies color that imitates the natural grain appearance of wood after minor repairs have been made. There's virtually no odor, and they are incredibly easy to use. This is the perfect color tool for enhancing repairs. I'm going to quickly show you how to use this product. I've done a previous repair with a fill stick. As you can see, the color is slightly off, still looks pretty close, but with this brush tip marker that has that fine micro tip that we were talking about, it's going to allow me to apply a little bit of color there to enhance this defect to make it look perfectly natural. As you can see, I'm going to draw little flecks of color to kind of mimic the natural appearance of wood and just slowly change that repair so it starts to disappear. Notice I use my finger to kind of smooth everything out and kind of dampen the effect. Before you can kind of see visibly the repair, slowly that repair is starting to disappear. As you can see, making repairs with Mohawk Finishing Products is an easy and cost-effective way to keep your case goods looking new. For more information on this product demo today, please visit mohawkfinishing.com.